Muffins wants to play with Frenzie so bad. Frenzie does not want to play with Muffins.
No, but Frenzie wants to be around us. I think she's becoming more tolerant of Muffins.
Well, she's laying there while she barks at
I
her.
don't think she's as worried about her. Muffins. Muffins. Muffins, honey. You don't have to mess with her. You can just leave her alone.
Oh, she wants to play with her so much. She's like, please play with me. I'm scared of you. But I want you to play with me because you're closer in size to me than anyone in this house. Please. This is the longest Frenzie has put up with being barked at.
Muffins, you sound really fierce.
Aw. I've never heard her sound like that.
Sweet Frenzie, like, this dog is crazy.
It's true, Frenzie. She's a nutball. But she's a puppy.
She's just messing around like, what is going on? She is. She's a sweet puppy. Sweet, crazy.
Nutball. What's she doing? Oh, now she's chewing on the table. She's given up on Frenzie altogether. Wow, Frenzie stayed in the room and everything. This is new.
Well, now Frenzie's showing her contempt by closing her eyes. Can you be bothered and pay attention?
Contempt or trust?
Contempt. Or trust. I don't even trust Muffin.
Well, that's true.
Gonna look at her with those binoculars? It's like she's taking cover behind the binoculars.
But she's pushing him forward. She's like...
And she itches after him too. Oh, wow.
I think Frenzie's starting to realize this puppy's no threat. Oh, wait a minute.
I think she wants Frenzie to run or something. Look at that.
You're not supposed to chew on that pillow. No, it's okay. I just want to let them. I just want to see how this plays out.
Now do some nervous chewing.
Yep.
smelling her now. Frenzy's a little concerned. She sees the savageness of the attack on the pillow.
No, she's had enough. Oh, get her.
Frenzy took a little swing at her.
Yeah, she didn't bop her though.
Did you drive the kitty cat away? That got her.
Is that kitty scary, Muffins?